Why can't X% of WhatsApp users send messages? Let's get to the bottom of it. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between the two or restarting your router. Next, update WhatsApp and your phone's operating system. Head to your App Store and check for updates. Also, ensure your phone's OS is up to date. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Verify your phone number in WhatsApp. Go to Settings, Account, Phone Number, and make sure it's correct. Check WhatsApp permissions. Ensure the app has access to your microphone, contacts, and storage. Clear WhatsApp cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, consider reinstalling the app. Disable Data Saver or Low Data Mode. This can sometimes restrict WhatsApp. Enable Background App Refresh for WhatsApp. On iOS, go to Settings, General Background App Refresh. Ensure you're not blocked by the recipient. Ask them to check if you're both online. If none of these steps work, contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. There you have it.